Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock new tire on the seed shop in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that the very update has just dropped and then the admin has added new tire on the seed shop. You can go to the seed shop and talk to them. And as you can see that we get tire here. And if you want to unlock the new tire, you need to feed the NPC with the food you have cooked up. Okay, you can go to the food item and I'm going to feed it with this smoothie, but I need to wait for about 22 hours guys, because I have just feed this NPC with my food. And if you want to feed it the NPC, you just need to click on the feed icon here. And after you feed it the NPC, your friendship level will be increased and you'll be able to unlock new tire. Okay. And on the new tire, I think there will be new seats. I don't know. I haven't unlocked it yet. But yeah, that's how you can unlock the new tire in Grow Garden very update. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.